The world is full of scary fish, from the infamous dragonfish to ancient world's go-to killers, the kraken. There is something about being in the water that fills people with fear. And looking at some of the things that live in it, we are not surprised. These spooky species that take things to a whole new level of terror. Some are fearsome predators which devour anything in their path, others are just so strange they were born to fill your nightmares. Each fish has its own signature, something that sets it apart as one of the planet's scariest sea monsters. We are going to take you through the 10 scariest sea creatures that you didn't know exist. Get ready for this bumpy, nightmarish ride. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. The Kraken. In Merry Malta Latin goes the old saying, in the ocean many things are hidden. And it's true enough. There is still much we don't know about what lurks in the depths. From folklore to pure science, these are history's most bizarre theories. Some of these beasts, though, are more grounded in reality than others. And none of these are more famed or feared or strangely reared than the Kraken, also known somewhat awesomely in lore as the Sea Mischief, a legendary tentacle giant so powerful that it could pull down ships. Cross this monster and you will find yourself praying there is a sea bishop or two in the depths to attend to your corpse. Perhaps the most detailed description of the Kraken comes from the Danish historian Erik Pentopeden in his Natural History of Norway from 1755. He notes that the beast is round, flat, and full of arms or branches, and is the largest and most surprising of all the animal creation. He cites various fishermen who unanimously affirm and without the least variation in their accounts that if you row out several miles into the Norwegian Sea in the summer, you are in serious danger of falling victim to the Kraken. The Kraken, however, is many beasts in one, a perfectly terrifying amalgamation of the worst sea monsters humanity has ever dreamed up. Number 9. Fierce deep sea lizard. In the inky darkness of the ocean's abyss swims the world's deepest living super predator, a fish with a long eel-like body, the face of a lizard, and a mouth full of sharp teeth. This terrifying terror of the deep is largely made up of a mouth and hinged teeth, so once it has you in its jaws, there is no escape. The more you struggle, the farther into its mouth you go. This terrifying creature's scientific name is Bathysaurus ferox, which means fierce deep sea lizard, and its common name comes from its lizard-like face. It lives 3,280 feet to 8,200 feet under the water surface. Like other lizard fish, B. ferox is benthic, meaning it lives along the ocean floor, where it often buries itself in sediment, hiding until it can ambush prey. The roughly 20-inch long B. ferox also has an unusually large liver that accounts for 20% of its body weight, according to a 1985 study published in the Canadian Journal of Zoology. Other lizard fish have smaller livers that amount to just 5% of their body weight. No doubt why this lizard is called fierce. Number 8. Buck-toothed ghost shark. Differentiating between species can be a convoluted process, but there is no question that this newly described ghost shark stands out from its deep sea kin. The odd fish is one chunky monkey. Also known as chimeras or ratfish, ghost sharks aren't actually sharks, they are shark relatives, fellow members of the class Chondrichthyes, a group of fishes lacking calcified bones. At nearly 3 feet in length, about half as long as the height of a refrigerator, the newfound creature is the second largest species of ghost shark ever discovered. Ghost sharks in general have a pretty big head, and their body tapers to a thinner tail. However, Wallowig made an exciting find that revealed something about the ghost shark's behavior. The stomach of one of the specimens contained a crab claw, indicating that the fish used its strong teeth to crunch open the shells of crabs and likely other crustaceans that live on the seafloor. As hideous and scary as this creature looks, I hope they have a softer side too. Number 7. Globster. It came from the depths of the ocean and has since mystified onlookers, the decaying truck-sized body of a hairy sea monster. The globster is about 4 feet wide at one end and about 2 feet wide at the other. A globster or blob is an unidentified organic mass that washes up on the shoreline of an ocean or other body of water. A globster is distinguished from a normal beast carcass by being hard to identify, at least by initial untrained observers, and by creating controversy as to its identity. The term globster was coined by Evan T. Sanderson in 1962 to describe the Tasmanian carcass of 1960, which was said to have no visible eyes, no defined head, and no apparent bone structure. Other sources simply use the term blob. This is hardly the first mysterious monster that's washed ashore in the Philippines. In February 2017, the decaying blobby body of another 20-foot-long marine creature washed ashore in the Dinagat Islands. National Geographic also posted a video of yet another so-called monster that washed ashore on the Indonesian island of Seram in May 2017. This bizarre 49-foot-long creature was identified a baleen whale, possibly a bryce whale, blue whale, or fin whale. Number 6. Jackalopterus. Those who are unnerved by creepy crawly should cover their eyes now. A newly discovered 2.5-meter monster arthropod, the largest yet discovered, is being unleashed on the world. Luckily for those of a nervous disposition, the release of this long-extinct relative of sea scorpions is limited to the pages of journal biology letters. There, Simon Brady of the University of Bristol, UK, and colleagues report finding a 46-centimeter claw from a Jackalopterus rhininae, from which they infer the existence of a giant example of this species. Although called a sea scorpion, the 400-million-year-old beast probably terrorized lakes and rivers and rarely, if ever, ventured into the oceans. This sort of gigantism in aquatic taxa is completely understood but has been attributed to elevated atmospheric oxygen levels, environmental resources, predation, and competition, because oxygen levels are unusually high in the Devonian. Most scientists believe that their huge size correlates with adapting to life as a super predator. Number 5. Dunkleosteus. 358 million years ago, a shallow sea teeming with marine life covered northeast Ohio. Dunkleosteus sterile, the largest predator and one of the fiercest creatures alive in the Devonian age of fishes, ruled the subtropical waters. Up to 20 feet in length and weighing more than 1 ton, this arthrodire fish was capable of chopping prehistoric sharks into chum. Dunkleosteus had a massive skull made of thick, bony plates and 2 sets of fang-like protrusions near the front of powerful, self-sharpening jawbones. New fossil research presented at this year's meeting of the Society of Vertebrate Paleontology shows that a full-grown adults, these top predators had jaws strong enough to take down just about anything in the habitat, even each other. Why would one monster fish attack another? The obvious first answer is for food. Perhaps these marine terrors were cannibals. On the other hand, the bite marks could be the result of competition, one big fish fighting another for control of resources. Growing up in Devonian seas, teeming with early sharks and armored leviathans could not have been easy. But if a young Dunkleosteus managed to survive to adulthood, its powerful jaws would have developed into some of the nastiest chompers the oceans have ever seen. And nothing in the sea would mess with that except a bigger Dunkleosteus. Number 4. Box jellyfish. They may not look dangerous, but the sting from box jellyfish could be enough to send you to Davy Jonas's locker, a watery grave that is. Box jellyfish, named for their body shape, have tentacles covered in biological booby traps known as nematocysts. Tiny darts loaded with poison. People and animals unfortunate enough to be injected with this poison may experience paralysis, cardiac arrest, and even death, all within a few minutes of being stung. But don't choose the mountains over the ocean just yet. Of the 50 or so species of box jellyfish, also called sea wasps, only a few have venom that can be lethal to humans. While box jellyfish are found in warm coastal waters around the world, the lethal varieties are found primarily on the Indo-Pacific region and northern Australia. This includes the Australian box jellyfish, Chironex fleckeri, considered the most venomous marine animal. Chironex fleckeri is the largest of the box jellyfish, with body sizes reaching up to 1 foot in diameter and thick, bootlace-like tentacles up to 10 feet long. Box jellyfish can also see. They have clusters of eyes on each side of the box. Some of these eyes are surprisingly sophisticated. Number 3. Blobfish. The world's most misunderstood fish reposes in pickle splendor on a shelf of the basement archives at the Australian Museum's Ichthyology collection in Sydney. The smeary flesh of Mr. Blobby, as the photogenic blobfish is affectionately known, is no longer bubblicious pink. The famous downturned grin is gone. The tiny currant eyes have receded in deep alcoves, and the nose, which once evoked Ziggy of comic strip fame, is shaped less like a turnip than a fallen scalpel. Dredged up off the coast of New Zealand during a 2003 research voyage, the specimen has spent the last decade suspended in a 70% ethyl alcohol solution. The fixation process tightened Mr. Blobby's skin and collapsed his or her snout. Laments Mark McGrowther, the museum fish manager. He or she now looks like an 85-year-old Mr. Blobby. Indeed, these days the blobster suggests nothing so much as a freshly Botox baked potato. Has there ever been crueler proof that alcohol changes the way you look? Seen by few but known by many, Mr. Blobby has been deemed huggable enough for plush toys and has inspired an ocean of silly poems, apps, emojis, smartphone games with taglines like "Build up your hero and evolve." What strange and wonderful things will he become? Memes and even a song by children's book author Michael Hurst. Blobfish, blobfish, gel of the sea, floats upon the bottom, lazy as can be. 2 years ago, the blobfish was voted the Earth's most hideous species in an online poll conducted by the British-based Ugly Animal Preservation Society. One thing is so clear. There is a society for every kind of species on this planet. Scary, big, strange, ugly, you name it. Number 2. Black dragonfish. The ocean is in many ways another world. It is a place that is quite different from the earth that we know and experience on a day-to-day basis. Case in point, meet the black dragonfish. This little creature is also known as Idiocanthus atlanticus, and to be frank, the little guys look rather terrifying. In fact, they look remarkably like the creatures from the Alien movies. Fortunately, unlike the alien, you really don't have much to fear from the black dragonfish, as they are, well, little. Also, they live deep in the ocean, far deeper than your average human will ever venture. The females are some 15 inches long. That may sound like a fairly good size, but as you can see, a lot of their length comes from their long tail like structure. Their mouths, by comparison, are rather little and they use them to eat other fish. The males barely reach 2 inches in length and have a number of other notable differences. They don't have any teeth or the long structure extending from the chin, and they are brown and have no digestive system. Essentially, they look nothing like the female dragonfish. Black dragonfish can produce their own light, which is actually rather common in creatures that live in the black recesses of the ocean. If these creatures weren't already interesting enough, in the larva stage, the eyes of the larvae appear as long stalks that dangle out of the body. Eventually, they retreat as the fish ages and reaches maturity. What sort of maturity is that? Number 1. The colossal squid. The colossal squid is a massive squid that lives in the deep sea surrounding Antarctica, and it is the holder of multiple records. Not only is it the largest invertebrate on Earth, it also has the largest eyes of any animal, larger even than those of the great whales. Human knowledge of the colossal squid is based on very few specimens that have been captured in deep sea fisheries and on beaks that have been found in the stomachs of these species' most significant predator, the sperm whale. Reaching combined body and tentacle lengths up to 46 feet and weights of at least 1100 pounds, the colossal squid is a very large deep sea predator. Like in many large species, all the largest individuals are female. Okay, this is a new era of female dominance. Feminist viewers, please make some noise in the comment section. Coming back to the colossal squid, they eat small and large fishes and other squids. Their tentacles are covered with suckers that are equipped with strong, sharp hooks used in both capturing prey and fighting of predation. Writers have often imagined that this species engages in fierce battles with sperm whales, leaving with species injured. Maybe now we know how one of these squid ended up in the sperm whale's stomach. Human or animals or scary sea creatures, we all know how to serve the right revenge. And that would be all for today's video, guys. I hope you're enjoying our videos on the channel. If you do, please don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe to The Unleashed for daily jaw-dropping content. Until next time, keep vibing.